Hello! Welcome back to Cooking with Calvin. Today we are going to make some rock candy. And first thing we are going to do, and I've already pre-measured out everything, sugar and water. The first thing we are going to do is start heating the water. So I have 1 cup of water. I'm going to pour it in our bowl. Now we wait until it starts to boil. Now that our water is boiling, it's time to add 1/2 cup of sugar. Now we stir until this is dissolved, and then we can add another 1/2 cup of sugar. Now that this has dissolved, we can start to slowly add the last 1/2 cup of sugar. Now that the 2nd cup has dissolved, we can now start to slowly add 1/3. Now that all the sugar has fully dissolved, I'm going to add a dash of lemon and a little bit of yellow food coloring to give us some lemon flavored rock candy. Now that the lemon flavor and the food coloring are thoroughly mixed, we are now going to pour this in the funnel. Were you in the video?
Oh, I didn't know where your camera was.
Crying out loud.
I was quiet.
Yeah.
I probably wasn't in the video.
No, yeah, you were. I saw you. You're gonna look like
That's so
That
funny.
would be funny.
It'll be funny. Let me just watch.
Now we have a wet skewer. I'm going to dip it in the sugar, coat it nice and evenly. Sugar everywhere. And remove this. Stick it in the syrup. Okay, now what? And now we wait 5 days.